Hey guys, we're here out testing today. This is a world first. We've got the 3 Ariel X's or 3 camera array on top of a drone. We believe this has never been done before, so it's a world first in our eyes. And it's a pretty special rig if you can have a look at it here. Luke's developed the whole thing in-house with our own engineers in XM2, and it was Stephen's brainchild. We ran a similar setup underneath the drone in our last project, and for our upcoming project we developed this because of the different advantages that camera on top gives you. So you can travel faster, you can look up and give a whole different perspective, as well as be able to flip it and go camera on the bottom really easily. So really versatile tool, amazing for visual effects, and I think it's going to be really popular.